Did you know that according to the World Health Organization, raised cholesterol is estimated to cause 2.6 million deaths each year worldwide? That's more than the entire population of some small countries. High cholesterol is often called a silent killer because it rarely shows symptoms until it's too late, playing a major role in heart attacks and strokes, the leading causes of death globally. But the good news is you don't have to wait for a health scare to take control. Managing cholesterol can start with something as simple as the food you choose to put on your plate. Today, we're diving into the world of superfoods, those nutrient-rich foods especially beneficial for your health and well-being. Superfoods aren't magical, but they are powerful allies in the fight against high cholesterol. With the right knowledge, you can harness their benefits to help keep your cholesterol in check and your heart strong. Many people find themselves overwhelmed by cholesterol numbers on their blood tests, unsure about what steps to take next. The challenges are real. Confusion about good and bad cholesterol, frustration with restrictive diets, and uncertainty about which foods can actually make a difference. There are also plenty of myths floating around. Some believe that simply avoiding eggs or fatty foods will solve the problem, while others think medication is the only answer. The truth is, managing cholesterol is about balance, choices, and understanding how certain foods can actively support your heart health. Let's explore 4 of the best superfoods for cholesterol control. These foods are backed by science, delicious, and surprisingly easy to incorporate into your daily routine. First up are oats. This humble breakfast staple packs a punch when it comes to lowering cholesterol. Oats are rich in a special type of soluble fiber called beta-glucan. This fiber acts like a sponge in your digestive tract, soaking up cholesterol and helping your body remove it before it can enter your bloodstream. Just 1.5 cups of cooked oatmeal a day can reduce LDL, or bad cholesterol, by up to 5 to 8%. For a simple and satisfying start, try overnight oats. Just combine rolled oats with low-fat milk or a dairy alternative, a dash of cinnamon, and top with berries for an extra antioxidant boost. Refrigerate overnight, and breakfast is ready when you wake up. Next, let's talk about fatty fish, such as salmon, mackerel, or sardines. These fish are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which don't directly lower LDL cholesterol, but they do raise HDL, the good cholesterol, and help reduce inflammation and triglycerides, another fat in your blood that can raise heart disease risk. The American Heart Association recommends at least 2 servings of fatty fish per week. Grilling, baking, or broiling fish with a squeeze of lemon and a sprinkle of herbs is a heart-healthy and flavorful way to prepare them. Even canned salmon or sardines can be a convenient, affordable option. Just look for varieties packed in water rather than oil to keep saturated fat in check. Our third superfood is nuts, especially almonds and walnuts. Despite being calorie-dense, nuts are proven to support heart health when eaten in moderation. They are packed with unsaturated fats, plant sterols, and fiber, all of which help lower LDL cholesterol. In fact, a landmark study published in the New England Journal of Medicine found that individuals who ate a handful of nuts daily had a significantly lower risk of heart disease and lived longer, healthier lives. For a tasty snack, try a small handful of raw, unsalted nuts, or sprinkle chopped walnuts over your morning oatmeal or salad. Remember, portion control is key. About 1/4 cup is enough to reap the benefits without overdoing the calories. Finally, let's celebrate the power of legumes: beans, lentils, and chickpeas. These plant-based proteins are rich in soluble fiber and have a low glycemic index, meaning they help regulate blood sugar and keep you feeling full longer. Studies show that eating just 1 serving of legumes a day can reduce LDL cholesterol by up to 6%. For an easy meal, try making a hearty lentil soup or toss chickpeas into salads and stir-fries. Not only are legumes versatile, they're also budget-friendly and a great meat substitute, making it easier than ever to enjoy heart-healthy meals. But do these superfoods really make a difference? Consider the story of Maria, a 52-year-old teacher who struggled with high cholesterol for years. Frustrated by the lack of progress with medication alone, she decided to take a closer look at her diet. By consistently adding oats to her breakfast, swapping red meat for salmon twice a week, snacking on almonds, and including beans in her lunches, Maria saw her LDL cholesterol drop by 15% in just 3 months, enough to surprise even her doctor. The changes were simple, but the results were life-changing. Scientific research supports Maria's experience. A recent meta-analysis published in the journal Circulation concluded that dietary patterns rich in these 4 superfoods consistently improve cholesterol profiles and reduce cardiovascular risk. The best part? These foods aren't just good for your heart. They're delicious, satisfying, and easy to enjoy every day. Let's recap the benefits of the 4 superfoods we've discussed today. Oats provide soluble fiber to help sweep cholesterol out of your system. Fatty fish deliver omega-3 fatty acids that support healthy cholesterol levels and reduce inflammation. Nuts offer healthy fats and plant sterols that lower LDL cholesterol and protect your arteries. Legumes supply plant-based protein and fiber to keep your heart strong and your cholesterol in check. By incorporating these foods into your regular routine, you're not just managing cholesterol, you're investing in a longer, healthier life. Remember, no single food is a magic bullet. The key to heart health is a balanced diet, regular exercise, and a lifestyle that supports your overall well-being. But by making simple, delicious changes, starting with these 4 superfoods, you can take a big step toward controlling your cholesterol and protecting your heart. If you found this information helpful and want more tips for living a healthier life, don't forget to subscribe and join our community. Together, we can make heart health simple, delicious, and achievable for everyone.